One sunny morning, a little monkey found a jar filled with peanuts. Excited, he shoved his hand into the jar quickly. He grasped as many peanuts as possible with his little hand. The jar's opening was too narrow for his clenched fist. He tugged and twisted, but his fist wouldn't come out. A wise old parrot sat on a branch and observed him. The parrot said, "Let go of half the peanuts, little one. Your hand will slip out easily," advised the parrot kindly. The monkey scowled and said, "Never. These are mine." He chattered greedily, refusing to listen to wise advice. The monkey yanked harder until the jar slipped. Crash! The jar smashed on the ground completely. All the peanuts rolled away, scattering everywhere. The monkey sat there, empty-handed and disappointed. Greed makes you lose everything in the end. Letting go a little can bring more happiness.